Fidelity is a well-known financial services company that offers a wide range of investment products and services, including online trading platforms. In 2024, trading on Fidelity's online platform will likely be more user-friendly and secure than ever before. Here is a step-by-step guide for beginners on how to trade on Fidelity and secure your payments and transactions. Research and choose the right trading platform. Fidelity offers multiple trading platforms, such as Fidelity.com and the Fidelity mobile app. Choose the one that suits your needs and preferences best. Open a Fidelity account. To start trading on Fidelity, you need to open a brokerage account. You can do this online by providing your personal information and identity verification. Fund your account. To begin trading, you need to deposit money into your Fidelity account. You can do this through various methods, such as bank transfer, wire transfer, or by mailing a check. Learn the basics of online trading. Before you start trading, familiarize yourself with the terminology and concepts involved in online trading. Fidelity provides educational resources to help you understand the market and make informed decisions. Set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. To enhance the security of your account, enable 2FA. This will require you to provide an additional verification code whenever you log in or make transactions. Choose your preferred trading method. Fidelity offers various ways to trade, including market orders, limit orders, and stop orders. Understand the differences between these types of orders and choose the one that best fits your investment strategy. Place your first trade. Once you've funded your account and chosen your trading method, you can place your first trade. Fidelity's platform makes it easy to search for stocks, mutual funds, or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and execute your trades. Monitor your investments. Keep track of your investments by regularly reviewing your account activity and portfolio performance. Fidelity provides real-time updates and customizable alerts to help you stay informed. Secure your transactions. To protect your payments and transactions, always log out of your account when you're finished, especially if you're using a shared computer or mobile device. Additionally, be cautious when clicking on links or downloading attachments from unknown sources, as these could potentially be phishing scams. Stay informed and adapt. The world of online trading is constantly evolving. Stay up to date with the latest market news and trends, and adjust your investment strategy accordingly. Fidelity's resources can help you stay informed and make informed decisions. By following these steps, you can start trading on Fidelity and secure your payments and transactions effectively. Remember, always trade with caution and do your research before making any investment decisions.